Okay, Corey, there you are. What you doing? What a beast. And there's Andrew. Gonna hide. There he goes. Today is March 30th. Excellent day. Good liking. To the corner. Here he goes again. Putting out his big moves. Ain't he the pro? Oh yes. Revving a little bit too high. Other than that, doing good though. What a pro. Not even in the trees. Oh, it'll fall. Oh, what a trickster. Trying to do a donut and everything. Oh yes, there he is. Oh yes, excellent and everything. Here he goes off the double. There it is, right there. Please don't hit me. Do a donut for us. He thinks he's so hot. See his big donut. Yeah! Oh yeah. Nice demo, Corey. Oh yeah, boogie down, dude. There you go. Alright, go pick it up. Come on, you wuss. Oh, come on now. Oh yeah, I've got a nice mark you made, Corey. Big muscle man and everything. One more time.
This is my last one.
Alright, be really, really brave. Go really, really fast.
You know what would be funny?
What?
If he landed on his front wheel and flips.
Yeah, let's see what he does. Where's the jump? Jump right here, right? Here he goes.
Oh.
Come on, Nick. You can do it better than that. Come on, Nick. Nick, do it better for the camera.
No.
One more time.
No. I said that was my last time.
Don't be a wuss. Come on, Nick. Nicholas, come on.
Nicholas, you landed it.
Come on. So, going for it all.
Do
Big Gary
one
Andrew.
Oh, yeah.
See the bike. Doing a bike like fool.
Sweet. Get up. Get up.
Sweet.
Did you see the bike?
Go, Nick.